So let us try to reset the password for this login essay. I am trying to give some password, but anyhow I am not able to recall the original password, and I need to reset this password. So all I can do is like just go and log in with the Windows Authentication and go to the security, then right click on this user and properties. We can now provide the new password. So now if I want to connect, yeah, I'm able to connect. Yeah. So in this way we can just go on to the security and properties of that particular user and simply reset the password. That's it. There are other ways. This is the simplest way that we can go and reset the password. Thanks. Thanks for watching.